There you go. CAR Region 11. Balik na tayo sa takbuhan.
Jones, berapa?
Nice escape. Papili siya ng atake. Silang makapunta sa CAR. There's a foul on a 3-point attempt.
Sa team of CAR up against for team of Region 11, but number 4 for team of CAR, 9 minutes and 28 seconds, 3 second shot clock, not good.
Sa poste, hindi na pumasok. Shot clock expiring.
We have a 10-second shot now, 0 up against 3. Over for team of Blue Shirt, Region 11. That call for last touch. 8 minutes and 45 seconds for team of Region 11. Pumapabor para sa grupo. And 5-second shot lock and perimeter shot jumper. And para sa grupo ng Blue Shirt. 8 minutes and 30. Bullet!
There you go.
And
Kapultos na nga. Foul pa.
Point. And going to the 15-foot lane for a 1 free throw. Or possible 2-point para sa team ng CAR laban sa team ng Region 11. Basket not count. At taken for team of Blue Shirt. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Iikot. Gandang footwork then. Good for 1 point. Up against 4 with a 3-point lead. Number 1 from downtown. So good para sa grupo. White shirt. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. And number 1, penetration. At gandang defense ang walang kakupas-kupas yung pinapakita ng CAR. Number 3, creating some space. Up from the 15-foot chopper. No! 7 minutes and 38 seconds. 8-second shot na. At a nice ball rotation move sa kanto. Pinipintas ng bangkol. Nakakasul para sa team ng Region 11. At number 3, sending for number 1. Bibiyakin yung depensa. But nice save. Number 4, couple of fake in the drop. Good for 1 point.
Ang mga puli na Yakubo nandito. There's a man down.
Sa mga player ng team ng CAR. Good for 1 point for number 3.
At pagkaroon tayo agad ng quick substitution. Pagkaroon na rin natin yung ating mga medics. Just to check on.
For team of CAR. 7 minutes and 12 seconds.
Itong si Jasper Bingol.
Talagang may dinaramdam na sakit yung isa sa mga player for team of Araga Region. Itong player. 7 minutes and 12 seconds.
Naano doon sa ano? Parang ano, natapilok siya ata. Tapos nag-cramps. Ay, ay, good.
Jackson. CAR still trailing by 3.
We have only 7 minutes to go.
Gotta take note of the shot clock.
And 40 seconds.
Defense coming from CAR.
against 6. We have only 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 3 creating some space for team of CAR. Couple of fake. And 3 seconds shot up. Power rebound of Vinci Ford. Para sa grupo ng Region 11. 8 seconds shot up. Ikot pass. A pump. And a jump. Too strong. But number 3 Vinci Ford. Good point.
Kuha pa rin yan ng Region
11. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Perimeter jumper. No. Taken for team of white shirt. With 6 minutes and 8 seconds. But there was... At number 3 for team of CAR. 6 minutes to go. Para sa 10 minutong paglaro. Jumper, no. Put back! Alam mo na. Offensive board for team of white shirt.
Finally, they get a bucket after 3 tries.
5 minutes and 48. 8 seconds shot up. Number 2.
Nice
fake.
fake.
Defense, a nice fake.
Napakalakas
Naging
na
nice
layup.
layup para sa grupo ng Region 11. At number 3. 3 up against 6, 5 minutes and 35. Call for a 3 seconds violation. Team ng CAR. And Region 11 basketball. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 8 seconds on the shot clock. We have a 5-second shot clock. 5 minutes and 15. At hindi magandang pagpapakapit. At huli.
Rejection. At hindi depensa ng Region 11. The SBTU 16 members on the floor. National Finals 2024 is supported by Smart, PLDT, and MVP Sports Foundation. Five minutes remaining.
And 55 seconds at number 4. 4-second shot lock.
Good play. Hindi na binaba yung ball natin. Hindi na agad. 4-point lead.
4 minutes and 40. 3 up against 7. We have a 4-point lead but for team of CAR. Huli. Pero for that going to the 15-foot lane for number 4 para sa team ng CAR. 4 minutes and 36 seconds.
Oh,
4 minutes and 30 seconds from downtown.
Two on the way, no good.
Strong para sa team ng blue shirt. Ikot pass. 4 minutes and 20. 4 up against 7. Way downtown. No. Put back by number 3. Yes, sir. 1 point.
Unti-unti ng CAR.
5 seconds on the shot clock.
Shot clock an issue. Wala. Tapos.
We have only time remaining 4 minutes to go. At number 3, the layup. No. Not good for team of CAR. Taking the ball for team of Region 11. Hindi umabot, but number 3, 3 minutes and 45. Not finishing left hand. For 1 point.
They will get the possession. 3 and 25. Tinaas sa tiyaga.
3 minutes and 20 seconds. 6 up against 7. That there was call for last touch. With 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 6 seconds on the shot clock. We have only 3 minutes to go.
2 on the way. After the right. That's CAR gets the miss.
Not good for a 2-point lane. Good for 2 points for team of CAR. 7 up against 8. Lumalamang na po for team of white shirt. But for team of Region 11 sidestep. Pero sinalpok at sinalubok. Up against 8. We have only 1 point. And going to the 15-foot lane for number 2 for team of Region 11. Para itabla yung laro. And good for 1. Didlock at 8 point with 2 minutes and 40 seconds. But number 3 for team of CAR. Cross-court pass against number 4. But number 4 PP hit. Pero hindi kumapit yung hit na yun. But for team of Region 11, couple of fake. Pero may malaking mamang nakahambalang balik sa numero 4. Creating some space. Floater shot. Good for 1 point. With 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Lamang na po yung team ng Region 11. para sa grupo ng mga naka-asul with 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. That penetration, bang! Good for 1 point. 8 up against 10. We have a 2-point lead. We have only time remaining 2 minutes to go. Lumalamang na po ng dalawang poste ng Meralco yung team ng Region 11 laban sa team ng CAR. But number 3 bibigay sa number 1. Cross-court pass against number 4. Pupukol ang dalawa. Bang! Good for 2 points.
Nakapak sa linya.
Or nakatapak. Good for 1 point. Nakatapak from the 21-foot lane. 1 point lang yun ang galing for team of CAR. With 138 seconds. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 9 up against 10. We have only 1 point. Isang guhit lamang or isang petsa ng kalendaryo. But yung number 2 for team of Region 11, Blue Shirt, pinagpag! Pinagpag yung depensang humahamba lang. 9 up against 11. We have only 1 minute and 23. We have a 3-second shot clock. Number 4.
Walang tinamaan yung tira.
1.
Free throws ang ibig sabihin nito para sa Region 11.
And last in the final free throw for Region 11. Last in the final free throw from the 15-foot lane. Good for 1 point. 9-12 at number 3. We have only time remaining after sa ating 10 minutes. Last 1 minute to go. Isang minuto ng paglalaro na pwedeng paglabanan para sa grupo. Good for 1 point for number 4. Patuloy ng abante sa karera nitong mga naka-asul for team of Region 11. Makakatabla pa ba para sa grupo ng CAR? Good for 2 points. Hindi patapos yung kwento. 11-13. We have a 2-point lead. Agawan buko. Pero yung bukong pinag-aagawan. Goal for...
Here we go!
We have only 35.3 seconds. Panahon para maitabla ba ng CAR or maiuwi ng Region 11 yung pagkapanalo para sa ating basketball action. Number 4!
Malakas!
2 points, not good. At number 3, couple of fake. Good shot, barong shot. Pero hindi pumasok yung barong shot. 18 mapiga. Para maitabla sa kwento, 18.3 seconds.
15
seconds, 3-second shot clock. Eto beat the buzzer. Pababang! Tabla 13. We have only 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And that's it for the 10 minutes of basketball action. Go to overtime.
Overtime ulit.
Pa po ng CAR yung overtime.
CAR will get a first grab at the basket at the victory. Shot clock, tignan na lang.
Race to 2 point, deadlock at 13 for the overtime. Shot clock na lang po tayo, wala na po tayong game time. We have only 5 seconds. Number 4, bibigay sa number 1. Panalo na ba? And connect for team of CAR, but taking the ball for team of Region 11. Number 1, di-discarding, bibigay sa numero 4. Pupukol ang dalawa. And congratulations. Paanat na yun, yung tumultog sa grupo ng Region 11. Congratulations! Nanalo po yung team ng Region 11 up against for team of CAR para sa ating overtime.
Final score. Those victory for